This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program name MSc Mathematics, second semester. Course name Numerical Computation, and session of today is interpolation and inverse interpolation. So, problem of uh, interpolation is as follows. Find the polynomial which fits the data in the following table. X is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and Y 6, 24, 58, 108, 174. So solution, the table of the finite difference is given here. X, all entries will be in the vertical manner, and similarly all entry of y in front of x, and next column of delta y is calculated the second value minus first value. It means 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. In the same manner 58 minus 24, it will be 34. Similarly 108 minus 58, 50. 174 minus 108 is equal to 66. Again next column will be delta 2y is equal to, again same procedure is applying, and we get 16, 16 and 16. Next one delta 3y is equal to 0, 0. Next one delta 4y, again 0. Here a is equal to given here 3, h is equal to 2, x unknown, x is equal to x, so u will be x minus a upon h. So putting the value, it become x minus 3 upon 2. Newton's forward formula is y is equal to fx u is equal to y0 plus u delta y0 plus u minus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2y0 plus dot 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 dot. Putting the value, we get the equation 6 plus x minus 3y2 into 18 plus x minus 3 upon 2 x minus 3 upon 2 minus 1 plus into 1 upon 2 into 1 into 16 plus 0. After solving, we get 6 plus 9x minus 27 plus x minus 3 x minus 5 into 2 is equal to 9x minus 21 plus 2x square minus 16x plus 30, or fx will be 2x square minus 7x plus 9. So this is the polynomial of this record. This is complete solution of this problem. Similar problem is given here. The following are the marks obtained in by the 492 candidate in the certain examination. So number of marks and corresponding frequency is given here. Here we have to find the who secured more than 48 but not more than 50 marks. Who secured less than 48 but not less than 45 marks. So first of all, the difference table will be given here, and find the all delta y, delta 2y, delta 3y, delta 4y, delta 5y, similar as above example, or putting the value of a will be 40, x is equal to 48, h is equal to 5. So u is equal to x minus a upon h, and value will be 1.6. And formula of forward difference interpolation is fx is equal to y, u is equal to y0 plus u delta y0 plus u minus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2 y0, and so on. Putting the values from the table, or we get f48 will be putting the all values from the table, and f48 will be After solving, we get 280 nearly. So number of candidate who secured marks more than 48 but not more than 50. Answer is 280. So we subtract 280 from 307 and it will be 27. Number of candidate who secured mark less than 48 but not less than 45 mark. So this will be 280 minus 253 is equal to 27. This is the end of this. I think, I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much.